Hello everyone, my name is Abhiroo and today I'm gonna show you how to make characters walk in Alice 3. So, to start, we first we need this alien or this character, whatever character you want, to face um away. So I want this alien to face this way. So what I will do is I will go click here and then I will click on this alien, then I will scroll down and then drag this block up here, and then we are going to go left and amount 0.25, and now we are going to add detail, and then we're gonna go to as seen by this alien. So let's run it now and see what happens. So now as you can see, the alien will turn and face here. So now we want it to actually walk. So what we need to do for that is these blocks right here on the bottom. We need to get the while block and then put it beneath this alien, that the turn block, and then it will show this, and we want the condition to be true. So click on true. Now we need to get another block from here, but on the bottom, and this time we're gonna get the do together block. So drag it inside the while block, and now what we need to do is we need to click on this alien on here in the scene, and then we are going to get the move block and then move forward. Amount is going to be 0.25. So now um, we will click this, and then this arrow beside this alien, the arrow beside this alien will allow you to choose any part of the um, any body part of the alien. So in this case, we're only going to use the left hip and the right hip, which is right here. So let's get the left hip first, and then we're gonna get the turn block from the orientation one. We're gonna drag it inside the do together, and then we are going to click forward, amount 0.125. Now we are going to get the same block, but this time this is not going to be the left hip, it's going to be the right hip. So we hover above the arrow beside this alien, and then we get the right hip, and then the same block, turn from orientation, drag it inside the do together, but this time it's not forward, it's backward, and the same amount, 0.125. So now if we see this, as you can see, it is kind of walking, but it's not really walking. It's the legs are just going round and round, and obviously it's not stopping. Yeah, it's not stopping. So now what we need to do is that we need to right click the do together block, and then we are going to click copy to clipboard, and now we are going to drag this from the clipboard, and you will see this And we are going to drag this inside the while block, not inside the do together block. Okay, so now you see this is the same block as the first one, but we want it to be a little different. This block should be the forward, the left hip forward block. This should be backward, and the backward one should be forward. So now what we do is we right click the second one and then copy to clipboard. Same thing, drag inside the while block. Oh, we dragged it inside the do together block, which we don't want to do. Okay, so we want the third block to be the same as the second block, and we want the first block to be same as the fourth block. So what we do now is we just right click the first one, copy the clipboard, same thing, drag inside the while block, and there we go. We're done with the code of how to walk. So let's run it and see what happens. And obviously it's not going to stop. So, and if you want it to stop, we're gonna cover that in the next tutorial. So yeah, hope you guys like this tutorial, and bye.